Look at that sky right now. Can you see this? This sucks. This sucks real bad. Owie, owie, owie. Ow, this is hail. What is going on? Oh, what's up, everybody? I should have had my camera running on the way down to Dunkin' Donuts. I got cut off twice in a row. And it's not your average cutoff. It's advanced cutoff. When you see someone and they're like, they can easily turn and get in front of you, but they don't. So you get closer and closer and closer. And then you get so close that you're like, oh, well, I guess they're waiting for me to pass. And then they cut you off all of a sudden, and you're like, bro. Like, it's gonna rain. I'm gonna get caught out in the rain, and it's gonna suck. I don't have a jacket on or anything right now. But yeah, they like cut me off and then made the next left turn. So of course I had to wait for them to turn so I could pass. I'm like, you idiot. So I started like walking around them on the bike because it was gravel on the road and I didn't want to like, you know, just crash through that. I started going around and like the big guy in the passenger seat was like mean mugging me. Like, no, tell your wife, daughter, cousin, uncle, nephew, whatever was driving to not cut me off and we won't have this problem. Then I like revved at him. So yeah, that was fun. And then right after I passed him, I got cut off by someone else not 30 seconds later and I was like, are you kidding me? That was some old lady. She was probably just blind. But yeah, I just wanted to share my little cutoff story that happened like 13 minutes ago. And then I went and got some Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, that new one that was advertising, the cookies and cream one. Delicioso. Look at that sky right now. Can you see this? It's like 50 shades of gray blue. What? And my gas light came on, and I don't know if I'm gonna actually get gas or not, because if it starts to rain, look how dark that is. Oh, it's so sketchy. If it actually starts to rain, I'm not playing around. I'm getting back. I'll get gas some other day. So yeah, this video might turn into a little rainstorm video. So hopefully I make it back safe. If not, you'll see this on YouTube as my final clip. Whoever finds this, upload it to my YouTube channel. Man, I only have like a month or less than a month till I go back to school. And hopefully the weather will be good enough. I can bring my bike there a few times and make some videos. I don't know. Oh, I felt a raindrop. Drop top. I'm gonna get caught out in this hot spot. I don't have a jacket on. It's gonna hurt. I'm gonna cry. I'm a fair weather rider, man. Oh, so got some new LEDs in. I'm gonna put some on the Camaro and some on the bike because the one on my bike messed up. It like fell off and it was still dangling on, but it wouldn't turn on, so I gotta replace it. Uh-oh, it's raining. Oh, it hurts. Owie, owie, howie. Ow! Ow! This sucks. This sucks real bad. Ow. Ow. At least these tires are supposed to be good in the rain, but oh, my feet are wet. Oh, that's so gross. I need windshield wipers for my helmet. Oh my god, I'm soaked. Oh, this sucks so bad. Oh, it's dripping down my back. Oh, it feels like I peed my pants. Oh, man. Oh, it really feels like I peed my pants. That is so gross. At least my phone's waterproof, but my wallet isn't. Oh my god, I'm so cold. Should I continue home or stop at the gas station and wait for this to pass? It's like a choose your adventure game. Oh my god, it feels like I peed my pants. This is so gross. It feels like I peed everywhere though. All over my body. This is a really terrible choose your adventure game. Oh, I'm so cold. This is the first time I've been cold in like 2 months. Woo! Nah, it's slowing down, it's stopping, so I guess I'm just gonna go home. Oh man. Oh, I spoke too soon. Ow. Ow. Owie, owie, owie. It stings. Woo! Ow! Oh man, I just realized you're probably not even gonna see anything. The GoPro is probably all like wet and whatnot, obviously. Ow, ow, this is heavy rain. Ow, Jesus. Ow, ow, what is this nonsense? Ow, ow, ow. This would hurt standing still. Ow. Ow, this is hail. What is going on? Oh my god. Why? That's not how you do a four-way stop, guys. Well, guess I'm gonna check this off my to-do list. Ride out in the rain. Really heavy, hard rain. Ow, this hurts so bad. Was it worth it for the iced coffee? Yeah, kinda. It was pretty good. I mean, I guess it gets determined on if I make it home or not. Safely. Ow, this hurts. Ow, this really hurts. Thanks, tinted visor that's covered in water. My vision is absolutely terrible. I feel like a nerdy kid that needs glasses. I'm so glad I got new tires though, man. Woo, those old ones would not have done well on this at all. This actually feels really good. It's not like slipping or anything, so props to these tires, I guess. Oh my god, I'm cold. Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, it's so cold! Oh my god! The one day I don't wear a jacket, like, of course. Woo! Oh my god, my back is frigid. Alright, I guess I'm gonna end the video here. If I upload this, obviously I made it back safe. I'm almost home, so it's whatever. Always remember, bring a jacket in case it rains. If the forecast says it's gonna rain, but there's clear skies, don't trust it. Especially if you're in Georgia. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll catch you next time. These are a whole different color now. Woo.